I'm uncertain what it is, but I'm believing it builds a scale. And then we have what looks like pieces for a scale. Is that the Scales of Justice, the blind? And I think that is Rich Gannon of the Raiders. This is the world champion San Francisco 49ers. And there is a lot of autographs on this ball. There's Ken Griffey Jr. That's a good autograph right there. This is Roger Clemens, oh, legend. All right, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. We are in here in one of 2 units I bought. I still got to figure out how to get the other one off. I don't know how. All right, I bought this unit right here for $1. Nobody wanted it. I jumped in, I got it. Why I get it, I don't know. I knew the guy was a lawyer. The desks are worth a few bucks. There's gonna be paperwork, but there's room, there's an expensive piece of art in here. All right, now we have a key. Now we're gonna open up the one we're gonna do first. I bought this for $10. Why'd I buy this for $10? I have no freaking clue. I just knew the guy was a lawyer and I said, screw it. I bought this for 10, one sold for 1,000, and I got the, and then I decided to pick the other one up. A lot of paperwork. There we go. That's not snowboard, is it?
It's a waterboard.
It's a wakeboard. You know who would like that would be Jesse.
Did you say we gotta go? Go?
Find out. This looks kind of cool. What is this? Happiness, 1950.
What Jack gave me the shirt because it has this guy putting his finger. You couldn't wear it.
Oh, look at that here in a little bit.
You're looking like this to you. I thought you were Raiders fan.
No. Yeah. There's some over there.
Okay, I know it sounds like the same belt, but you gotta look at every one just to make sure that it's all paid for.
Doll furniture. Want to take a bath? That's kind of cute. We have baby clothes. We have baby clothes. Clothes. Shoes. And a mirror. So
That is cool.
that's cool. We're so far doing well for 10 bucks. Yeah, he's gonna want that though. That's his personal stuff. Could use dollies though, you know? Like dolly stack, dolly stack, dolly stack.
Just full paper?
Yep.
We're looking at it right.
Yeah. Files.
this out of the way.
I'm trying to find some treasure.
I want to get all that paper out of the way so make sure.
Nordstrom, this could be a good one.
What?
Nordstrom.
Yeah.
Looks like a crab.
It does. Look like it's gonna attack me.
It's a jumping one, probably.
Alright guys, that was a weird one. So basically, I kind of had to do a quick go through. I'll show you some more tomorrow. It's not every day that I deal with the owner of the units and stuff like that, but he seemed like a nice guy and I didn't even want to try to put him on film, so I didn't film. We kind of went through stuff. I literally gave him back most of the stuff. I paid 11 bucks for this unit. Really, one for, I'll get it, 1 and 10. And there's some cool stuff. I got 2 boxes I'm taking home, I found. puts me at $1,000 and stuff minimum, I think. He got all this back for free. I did charge him $100 for one Disney painting I wanted to keep for the girls. But see, I'm kind of a little upset because, you know, that's kind of annoying. He got me on this stuff. I'm just not in the mood to deal with it. I don't even like dealing with the owners because you kind of feel bad, you know, you feel like there's stuff. But I gave him the clothes. He snuck in some stuff, right? Like the CDs, DVDs, I wanted those in the books, but he threw them in there when I wasn't looking. But honestly, at the end of the day, I don't care because I'm not like that. Wow. I do need money though. Kind of a little bit irritated. Would have been some cool stuff. So we are here over at the recycling place. One of the reasons why people are scared to buy a unit like this, even though it's not exactly been the best home run situation, is the paper, right? There is probably 6,000 pounds of paper here at the dumps. That's 6,300 bucks near me, or if I drove, it's 150 at another one, but time and money. A lot of paper, look. But here, we'll get rid of it for free. So, first thing we did was extract. Just like that. It's all done. And just like that, that's done. Got rid of 6,000 pounds of paper for free. We are back here at my storage pirates. We went to the recycling center. My Uncle Michael took off, went home, took my daughter to her grandma so she can go to work for the weekend. And I'm gonna go through these couple boxes of stuff right here. So what happened was the guy came, and I didn't want to film him. I don't like putting people on the spot like that, and I don't even ask people. And I really don't like dealing with the owner of the unit, so I just wanted to get it done. He wanted more stuff than I wanted to part with because I want to make money. And I had like 6,000 pounds of paper and some other stuff that, well, long story short, you want to make money. He wanted more stuff. I just wanted to be done with. I did find a few cool boxes. I kind of peeked in them because we had pulled stuff out of them. But Baby J, what's up? How you doing? Just want to say shout out to Baby J for being an amazing editor. Anyway, let's get started. First thing that was cool was this was inside of this box here. I took it out because you're about to see some fragile stuff in there, and I didn't want to damage it. But this, I'm uncertain what it is, but I'm believing it builds a scale. We're gonna see it in a minute. So first things first, this one says football scale adjusted chest table, small breakables. I didn't want to damage the chest table because my daughter wanted that for her and the girls. This one's pretty tight too. See, look, it's marble, and I think that all the pieces are right here. Let's see. Ooh, oh yeah. So Michaela and Evie like playing chess, and Anaya, so we're gonna keep this set because that's pretty cool. Little marble figures. That's the king or the queen right there probably, or the bishop, or the, I don't know. I can play chess, but I can't tell you what the pieces are. I can line them up. I know what they do. This one goes diagonal. Nice set though. Hopefully it's all there. We're gonna keep that set. And let's carry on. That caught my attention heavily right here. So we have, I think, a candle. A fancy candle. This is an Esquire. I might keep that. And then we have what looks like pieces for a scale. Then this was kind of weird. Is that the scales of justice? The blind fold, meaning you're neutral. You're allowing free judgment, basically. I don't know, that's not the right word. You're allowing no judgment for the scales to tip in the favor, which is awesome when things work in that manner. Ooh, what's this right here? This one little piece goes on here, maybe. Let's try that. And then, ooh, there's the other one here. It's missing one little piece right there, but we might do stuff like that in the auction. What do you guys think? Put both the scales in one lot or something? Ooh, a train. Hey, what's up? Trains are nice. This is cheap. The average train is not very pricey. I've sold a lot of trains over the last couple of years. Many mega units of trains, and they are good items. But a lot of them are also very inexpensive. There's some good brands, a few, but even Lionel, a lot of it's very common. A lot of it's very common. You want the Japanese brass hose scale. I'm gonna set that up here in a minute. What's in here? This is maybe they're heavy, so I'm gonna guess possibly the weight. Oh yeah, let's see. This will help age them, I think. Scales could be very valuable, but construction is hard to judge. Like brass is easily manipulated, but things like this often give the detail of how they are will better help date them. They're not seeming like they're extremely expensive yet, but let's see here. We got one there. This is for the 2 ounces. Imagine this is what you have to weigh on. Probably a gold scale, possibly. Yep, it looks like they're all here. That's pretty exciting because, once again, I'm $11 deep in this unit, and I didn't really get nothing for the stuff that I had got from him or gave him back. I think I got $100 for one piece of art that I would have kept for the girls, but it is what it is. We're missing one weight. That's not bad. And then we have some kids' school art that I have to figure out how to get back to him. No, that's Roseville. A chipped piece of Roseville, maybe? It's not marked, though. That's pretty nice. I want to have that looked at. Even though it's chipped, that could be very, very pricey. And then a flower pot and another kid's project. I'm going to put those right back in the truck right now, so we'll stop. And let's see what we have here. Here we have a signed football, and I think that is Rich Gannon of the Raiders. It's nice. It's NFL. Nice. I'm gonna probably put that in my auction because that's a good auction item. And then we have, he said there was a Steve Young football, but I can't tell you if that's an autograph or what. Nope, that is an autograph. Oh, Heisman number 2, 97. I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't know who that is. Somebody signed, put some pen mark on there. That's a bummer. It was supposed to be a Steve Young football. I don't know who that is. Let's look that up. Let's look that up, actually. I don't know. I tried looking it up, and I don't know who this is. There's a lot of names it could be, but that's still pretty cool. All right, and this box got my attention too. Reason being is right here. This is the world champion San Francisco 49ers, and there is a lot of autographs on this ball. I don't know what year it is. There's a lot of names here. I think I saw Jerry Rice when we pulled this out. There's Joe Montana. This is tight. Jerry Rice. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? I'm gonna get this pumped up. Tell me that ain't cool. Steve Young, Joe Montana, and Jerry Rice. This might have to get graded. Woo! That's pretty cool for a $10 storage unit that had 6,000 pounds of paper that everybody was scared to do anything in. I'm not mad about that. I'm not mad about that. Let's continue on. We have, I don't know who this is. He didn't want to tell me. He didn't want to tell me. I think he knew. But look, there's Ken Griffey Jr. That's a good autograph right there. One of the legends right there. This is somebody. This is Roger Clemens. Oh, legend status, right? Legend status. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Pete Rose, compliments of SBG Global. Look at that. And that's an autograph there. And let me see it. Somebody broke it. Pete Rose. Still a legend. Had a little bit of a gambling problem. Cool little golf cart. Little woman and the kids wanted a golf cart, so I'm gonna bring this home to them. And they finally get what they want. And that is, I don't know. Official Ball American League. That's kind of cool. I'm very happy with that. That made up for the unit being not the greatest. Wish that was signed, but I won't complain again. And then we have a couple CDs. We'll put that in our CD lot. And then what was this here? N. That's kind of, ooh. That's a heck of tight. I don't know if that's worth much. It's tight though. And beautiful. Tight. That's how I speak. I say things are tight. Things are tight. Pebble Beach. Ooh, what's this? Tiger Barefoots Bears 100 of 74.60. Oh, is that where the putter goes? Trinket, Pincraft. All right, so that is kind of cool.